Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem, whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial. We are here to help you. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix pin post not showing on Messenger. So if your pin post is not showing on Messenger, then this video is for you. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is to simply make sure that you are using a perfect Wi-Fi connection, and then the next thing is that you have to check whether you are using the updated app or not. For that, tap on Play Store. In the Play Store, you have to simply search for Instagram, and here you have to make sure that you are using the most updated version of the app, because updating the app usually fix all the bugs and glitches. Once you are done, go back, head towards your phone settings. From the phone settings, what you have to do is to simply scroll down. You will find the option of apps, so find out that, and in the apps you will get the option of see all apps. Head towards that. From the apps, what you have to do is to simply find out the list of all the apps, and from this list scroll down and find out Instagram. And here what you have to do is to simply clear out the storage and cache for Instagram, and then your issue would be resolved. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.